Hey Aussie Nation, it's Code Aussie here. In this video we're going to test the effectiveness of the Shark Rocket. We have several different piles set up. We have some goldfish, we have some flour, we have some dog food. We're going to see how effective the Shark Rocket is at vacuuming up each pile. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. The first pile I'll be sucking up is the flour. Look how well this sucks up the flour. It's doing a great job at sucking. Next, we're going to go to the regular goldfish. I sucked up almost all of them. Let's try again. That was really good. Now we're going to go to the graham cracker style goldfish. That was pretty okay. But right now I'm going to shut the vacuum off and I'm going to use the sweeper mode. And I got some other stuff over here. Now I'm going to shut it off, reattach the base. Okay. Now the last pile that I have to do is the dog food. Let's see how well it sucks that up. So as you can see, the Shark Rocket does very well at sucking up many different debris piles. Say if your dog makes a mess on the floor, or if your kids make a mess while eating snacks after they got home from school or whatever. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.